In the winter season, providing a nutritious and hearty breakfast for school children becomes even more crucial to ensure they have the energy and warmth needed for a productive day of learning. Here are 10 paragraphs suggesting nutritious and delicious winter breakfast options for school children. Oatmeal with fruits. A warm bowl of oatmeal topped with seasonal fruits like berries, apples, or bananas is an excellent winter breakfast. Oats provide sustained energy, and the fruits add essential vitamins and antioxidants. Whole grain toast with peanut butter. Whole grain toast with a spread of peanut butter is a quick and tasty option. The combination of complex carbohydrates and protein helps keep children full and energized throughout the morning. Egg and vegetable scramble. Scrambled eggs mixed with colorful vegetables such as bell peppers, spinach, and tomatoes make for a nutrient-packed breakfast. Eggs are a rich source of protein and essential nutrients. Greek yogurt parfait. Layering Greek yogurt with granola and seasonal fruits creates a delicious and wholesome parfait. Greek yogurt is high in protein, and the granola adds a satisfying crunch. Warm smoothie bowls. Instead of the usual cold smoothies, opt for warm smoothie bowls in winter. Blend together fruits, vegetables, and a liquid base, then heat it gently. Top with nuts or seeds for added texture. Whole grain pancakes with maple syrup. Prepare whole grain pancakes and drizzle them with a touch of maple syrup. This provides a delightful treat while still offering a balance of carbohydrates and fiber. Breakfast burritos. Roll up scrambled eggs, black beans, and cheese in a whole grain tortilla to create a hearty breakfast burrito. This option is not only delicious but also easy to eat on the go. Warm quinoa porridge. Quinoa cooked with milk or a dairy-free alternative, along with cinnamon and a hint of honey, makes for a comforting and protein-rich porridge. Add nuts or dried fruits for extra flavor. Homemade muffins with fruit. Bake whole grain muffins ahead of time and pair them with a serving of fresh fruit. This combination is convenient and provides a mix of carbohydrates and vitamins. Vegetable and cheese mini fritters. Prepare mini fritters with vegetables and cheese in advance. These can be reheated quickly in the morning, offering a protein-packed start to the day. It's essential to encourage variety and balance in a child's diet, ensuring they receive a combination of carbohydrates, proteins, healthy fats, and vitamins to support their overall growth and development, especially during the winter months. Next up, let's discuss vitamins and minerals. Cold weather can make us feel sluggish, and our children might need an extra boost to stay healthy and warm. Iron is a vital mineral for growing children, and fortified cereals, leafy greens, and legumes are great sources. Additionally, vitamin D deficiency is quite common in winter.